Some people overdress for the cold, which can lead to excessive sweating. This can lower your body temperature and lead to hypothermia. I'm Dr. Clark with advice about your cold weather workouts. In most cases, it's okay to exercise in extreme cold weather if you're well prepared. Here are some tips to remember. Dress in layers. This gives you the flexibility to adjust to temperature changes. Some people overdress for the cold, which can lead to excessive sweating. This can lower your body temperature and lead to hypothermia. Avoid cotton. It retains moisture, which can make you colder. Instead, wear a synthetic fabric or other fabric that wicks away moisture. Acclimate to the environment. Before you start, spend 5 to 10 minutes doing low to moderate intensity exercise to help your body adapt to the cold. Drink more water. A common mistake people make is not drinking enough fluids in cold weather. It's hard to gauge your thirst in the cold weather because you don't sweat as much. Drink plenty of fluids during and after your workout. Finally, watch out for hypothermia. Drowsiness, confusion, clumsiness, shallow breathing, and a weak pulse are all signs your body's temperature has dropped too low. People with health conditions such as heart disease should talk to their doctor before they brave cold temperatures.